What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here. Today we're taking a look at this Warren wireless remote system and we're going to cut that cord. Alright, so let's see what actually comes in the package. Child-proof container. I swear I'm gonna cut myself getting into this. Quite the instruction pamphlet. I mean, that's pretty big, but I'm a guy, so. Alright, so what comes in this package, looks like you have the wireless receiver, a little positive power cord, not sure what that's for, of this two-piece little holder thing. I don't know, carabiner clip with a nice Warren stretchy keyring thing, and you have the remote itself. The remote just slides into the little holder and then you press this little lever thing to release it. So giving you a close-up of this little remote here. Okay, it looks like we have the active like on button and then we have your in and out buttons. This actually feels really strong, really well made. It's not cheap plastic, it's some kind of like harder, I mean it's plastic still, but it's a harder plastic, and it's got this like non-slip little, all the black stuff is like a non-slip, it's almost like a foam feeling surface, so it's not going to slip out of your hand if it gets wet, so that's pretty cool. So this is literally plug and play. Take this little receiver here, open up your where you'd normally plug in your wired receiver, and you figure out which way it goes, plug it in. That's step one. Step two is we have to pair it to the remote. I had to break down and read the instructions on this one because you have to actually program this little remote to the receiver. We're gonna have to activate our remote by holding both buttons at the same time, and we should see that little green light pop on. Once that pops on, now we have to press and hold this receiver programming button for like 5 seconds, and we should see a red light pop on. There we go, and then we just hit the out button and the winch should come out. So that works really well. I figured out what these two little pieces, geez, almost dropped them. So I figured out what these two little pieces do. Oh, of course. These two little pieces help you mount this little holster for your remote. You can mount it on the inside of your Jeep. You can mount it anywhere you want. These help you get that done. You can mount it, looks like you can mount it around a round surface here. You can see right through it. Now it comes with this little like safety strap. That actually, you actually hook this onto the little receiver guy you got here, and then you can clip this to somewhere on your winch, so if you hit a bump and you still have this on, it's not going to go flying, you're not going to lose it. It's also got, just like the winch, a little protector, so it protects all the pins from getting all dirty and getting a bunch of junk in there, so you can cover that up. That's really nice. So I have to say my overall thoughts on this whole wireless winch system is I love it. I mean, it's really intuitive, it's really easy to set up. I mean, I set it up in less than 5 minutes. That's how long it took me to put this on the winch and figure out what to do with it. I think more of that time was struggling with that packaging, getting that open. I really like how it's got this this like grip tape kind of surface, so you're not gonna lose the remote. You're gonna keep it in your hand even if your hands are a little wet and grimy from the mud or whatever. So that's really handy. I still don't know what this is. Maybe someone can comment below, let me know what the hell this little cord is for. I think it's some kind of ground strap. I'm not sure. I'll have to read more up on it. It's a whole lot better than having to run the cord all the way to the driver's side of your Jeep and run it in through the window. I can carry this around, and it actually says it works up to 50 feet away. It's a really neat feature of this wireless remote here, that you can be pretty far away or throw this remote to someone and it's still gonna work. It's still going to be able to run your winch in and out, just in case you want to focus on driving and you don't want to focus on the in and out button as you're trying to steer. So you can have someone else do this, which is really handy. You can't really have that with a wired system. I'm gonna use this more than the wired connection. I'm gonna keep the wired one just in case I might need it, but I give this thing super strong recommendation. If you have a Warren winch and you're looking to cut the cord, make your life a little easier, I highly recommend picking one of these up. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll put the link so you know where to get one. Now if you guys like this video and you want to see other review videos or any of my other videos, give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you want to get Bearded Jeeper shirts or any other Bearded Jeeper merch, I did set up a Redbubble store. I'll put a link to that below. Every little bit of that actually goes in and helps the channel, helps me buy new camera gear, or helps me get some product that you guys want to see reviewed. So make sure you go check out, get yourself a shirt, get yourself some stickers. Stickers are really cheap. They're only like a buck or something a sticker. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, and as always, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.